Valentine's Day is the perfect time to slow down, bake something sweet, and share a little love. Heart-shaped cookies are simple, charming, and surprisingly easy to make, even if you're a beginner. Today, I'll walk you through several heart-shaped cookie recipes, complete with exact ingredients and easy step-by-step instructions you can follow at home. Let's start with a classic favorite. Classic sugar heart-shaped cookies are soft, buttery, and perfect for decorating. To make them, you'll need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 Celsius. In one bowl, mix the flour and baking powder. In another bowl, cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract. Gradually mix in the dry ingredients until just combined. Roll the dough out on a lightly floured surface, cut into heart shapes, and place them on a baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, then let the cookies cool completely before decorating. For an extra indulgent touch, turn those sugar cookies into chocolate-dipped heart cookies. You'll need 1 batch of baked sugar cookies and 1 cup of chocolate chips, milk, dark or white. Melt the chocolate gently in the microwave or over a double boiler. Dip half of each cookie into the melted chocolate and place them on parchment paper to set. If you'd like, drizzle with extra chocolate or add sprinkles before the coating hardens. If you're looking for a showstopper, red velvet heart-shaped cookies are a perfect choice. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of red food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and cream cheese frosting for topping. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In one bowl, mix the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, cream the butter and sugar until fluffy. Add the egg, red food coloring, and vanilla extract, then mix well. Gradually add the dry ingredients until just combined. Shape the dough into hearts and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Once cooled, spread or pipe cream cheese frosting on top. For something light and fruity, strawberry shortcake heart-shaped cookies are a beautiful option. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 cup of fresh strawberries sliced, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Cut in the butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Stir in the milk until just combined. Roll the dough out, cut heart shapes, and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool completely. Whip the cream until stiff peaks form, then sandwich whipped cream and sliced strawberries between 2 cookies. Raspberry almond heart-shaped cookies are elegant, flavorful, and perfect for gifting. For these, you'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/2 cup of raspberry jam, and powdered sugar for dusting. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the flour and salt in one bowl. In another bowl, cream the butter and sugar until smooth. Add the egg and almond extract, mixing well. Gradually add the dry ingredients until the dough comes together. Roll out the dough and cut heart shapes. Place half of the cookies on a baking sheet. Add a small dollop of raspberry jam to the center, then top with another heart cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Once cooled, dust with powdered sugar before serving. For a light and airy finish, meringue heart-shaped cookies are a delightful choice. You'll need 4 egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or almond extract, and optional food coloring. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, or 93 Celsius. In a clean bowl, Whip the egg whites until frothy. Gradually add the sugar, continuing to beat until stiff peaks form. Gently fold in the extract and food coloring if desired. Pipe or spoon the meringue into heart shapes on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 1 hour, then turn off the oven and allow the cookies to cool inside to maintain their crisp texture. From buttery classics to fruity layers and delicate meringues, heart-shaped cookies are a simple and meaningful way to celebrate Valentine's Day. Bake with love, decorate your way, and enjoy every sweet moment. Be sure to check out this video for more.